Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find and copy Bitget Wallet UID. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you'll need to launch your Bitget mobile application and make sure to sign into your account. By default, you'll land on the home page as soon as the app opens. Now, to find your UID, you'll need to tap the icon in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Here, at the top of the menu, you'll see your name, account status, whether it's verified or not, and UID. If you tap on that section again, you'll be taken to a page where your full UID is displayed clearly. This is the user ID you need. To copy it, simply tap the copy button next to the UID. The app will show a message confirming that your UID has been copied. Now you can paste it anywhere you need. So that's basically how you can find and copy Bitget Wallet UID. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.